Number 7, destiny. The nature of a 7 person is to be extremely mental and introspective. You delve into everything in an effort to find out exactly what the reason is behind it. You cannot accept anything at face value, but must see for yourself that your own opinions are sound. When the germ of an idea is absorbed into your subconscious, you meditate and turn it over and over in your mind until you fully understand every aspect. Only then do you act on it or discard it. This will lead to the discovery of great philosophical truths, which you will use to your advancement, as well as in the consolidation and healing of the troubled. You are psychic and often experience deja vu, a sense of having lived a certain experience before. Yours is the role of philosopher, teacher, and healer, but it will not be easy for you to teach unless you can loosen up a bit in your outward personality. Your reserved nature gives the impression of being unapproachable. Only those who understand these quiet, contemplative moods can get through to you. These are the fortunate ones because you have so much to give. Your interests are mainly cultural, mental, and philosophical. The finer things in life are as necessary to you as the air you breathe. All things beautiful impress you, a well-done painting, a beautiful sculpture, or a good book. You could not live without these things to enjoy. You are the rare individual who can enjoy every stroke of the brush in a painting, not just the overall effect. Therefore, you are a connoisseur of the finest ilk, and genuinely so. You would make an excellent parent because you could teach a child the appreciation of all the beauty life has to offer, both in an intellectual and a physical sense. A reserved manner clothes you in a cloak of dignity, and rightly so. Respect from one and all is your heritage, and you accept it gracefully, as you should. Life is often very disappointing to you, and you will have to face many obstacles, but with your philosophical outlook, you will understand that life in itself is one big obstacle. Only when you undertake to overcome every problem will the burden be lessened. You will take this opportunity to delve into the hidden truths of life and use this knowledge to better yourself and your life. This spiritual and practical knowledge will be your vehicle to the happiness you seek. Never hurry. Take the time for rest and meditation. There is no need to be concerned by economics, for you will generally have whatever you need. The fate of the mystic, as for a 7, is to study, question, apply, and teach the secrets of the soul. So providence will always take care of the material needs. This is a rare gift and should be used well. Your negative side could make you lean toward moodiness, standoffishness, and secretiveness, which doesn't help your image at all. Then many people will find you cold and unemotional, making it difficult to enter good relationships easily. You may also be devious and coldly calculating in your worst state.